This here is the Almighty Tool Organizer bag, and I love the fact that it replaces a toolbox. So no more of that big clunky metal toolbox or even plastic toolbox. This thing is super easy to carry around and it's very, very versatile. So I'm gonna show you how it opens up. Just like a chef's bag for knives, you have all of these different zippers and compartments. What I love, and you open a zipper, you can see that it is water resistant. So maybe there's gonna be a little bit of grease, things like that. It's not going to seep through. And look at that, I've got some tools right here. I've got, what do I have here? Maybe I have nothing yet in here. No, I have nothing. Look how big that, that bag is here. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 compartments. One other compartment right here. I've got some glue here and maybe another pair of pliers. I can close that. Love the fact that these little pockets right here, if I want to, and I'm out the job, grab that out, and maybe I've got nails, maybe I've got screws right here. They're all organized. When I'm done, I'm good to go. Love that there's little hoops here, so if I want to carabine them somewhere else, maybe on another bag, maybe on my person, I can do that as well. And then when you are done, you literally just close everything up, roll it up, and tie it up, or actually strap it up, I should say, just like that. And then you know nothing is going to be moving about. You're ready for the next job. I think it's fantastic if you're gonna be carrying your tools around, maybe in your car, maybe you want just the basic necessities. This is a fantastic little tool organizer.